the result.
Oh,
Oh my god.
it's MK Kidz TV.
Where is HG? Yay!
I'm here, guys. So hi guys, welcome to our channel now. Actually, I have the Neverstop Laser 1000W from my dad. From HP, my daddy works in. Now we are gonna make it in box like this.
Okay, I'm gonna help you.
I just say now. Now I'm up here. I can stand on this box and I can sit on this box.
Okay, let's open it.
I want to open it. Wait, I want.
This is sharp.
I want. Oh. Okay. I'm not focusing.
Okay, guys.
I'm not gonna show you this thing. I'm just gonna show the box. Now the box is actually a printer, so I need to take it. Show you guys. Now it's still the same. Also, my daddy just paused the video because my daddy wants to show. Okay, now.
Okay.
Now I'm gonna take this one. Oh, you actually really need to make it, guys. Okay, I'm gonna take the pieces. Oh, this is charger thing.
No, that's the cable to plug into the power.
Wait, this is not. It will be.
It's too heavy.
Wait, what is behind? Ah! Good, wait. Okay. Oh, I think you need to take this. Cannot.
Cannot? You need help?
This actually really heavy. It's not working.
Okay.
Now I already take this. Now in box. Now it's already out. I actually want this one. I want to keep this. Can I keep it? The white one? Yes! Now I'm gonna. Oh!
Oh, be careful.
I'm fighting this ever. This is actually my printer. Okay. Ouch. Wait, look at my heart.
Ah, it's okay.
No, but okay, now I need. Oh, it's already open. Oh, I think this is it. Oh yeah, this is the best thing. I think this is my birthday, right there.
Mm-hmm.
Now this actually special. Wait, what is this?
I don't know. We need to see the instruction later.
Oh, there's the instruction. And then the instruction. The instruction is actually. Okay, here's the instruction. Take it
Okay.
out. So heavy.
Put it right. Put it correctly first. And show the printer to the camera.
I'm gonna show you. Wait.
Wow, the printer is kind of small.
And this is so big. Wait, what is this? What What does this say?
Oh, this one is for the paper when it comes out. So this printer is using what kind of technology?
Oh, laser.
Laser.
Wait, laser like laser tag?
No, because it's using a drum and a developer. You don't understand. It's okay. So it's not an inkjet. Okay, this is a laser technology.
Do you know what's this sound?
And this one,
Do you know what?
EG. This is also, it says, let's see the box. High capacity reloadable wireless printer. Oh, bahasa Indonesianya isi ulang kapasitas tinggi. So we can refill.
Wait, what is this for?
I don't know.
Open this.
Open it.
Open this.
Uh-oh.
I didn't know.
And see, this is wireless printer, so it's using what?
Laser.
Why?
Why?
Yes.
Oh. Take it. Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna set it up.
No. Oh, it can go out. Look this. It can go out actually. This is kind of fun. Also, this the charger.
No, that's not a charger. It's a USB connector.
Oh.
USB cable.
Wait. You mean a HP?
No, USB. What printer is this? What brand?
Never Laser 1000W
From
from HP, my daddy's
worker
boss.
worker boss.
I got it too.
Is it correct? Okay, we're gonna install it.
A few moments later.
Now follow the instruction here.
Now we need the code of 1, 2, 3. What is this?
No, you gotta press it here. Here, and then type
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3
1, 2, 3.
dot.
This one?
No, this one. Dot
Dot.
HP
HP plus H. Wait, is it the top or the middle or the bottom?
here.
Okay.
HP P here P dot again. Yeah. Com. COM. Enter.
Enter. Enter.
Oh. Okay.
You can use a laptop or a phone or an iPad.
Yeah.
Huh? Or an iPad. iPad. iPad.
Okay, we're gonna set it up now. So when you already install HP Smart, it says set up a new printer. So press set up a new printer G. Yeah, press that.
I just had to. Then the screen. That's why the screen is wet. That's why the screen is wet because I just. Aduh.
What is that says?
I don't know.
IP address. If you want to connect to use to printer using Wi-Fi, click refresh to set up. We don't know this thing. Press this one, G.
What? Ooh, which? What?
Continue.
Continue.
Press again. I think you didn't press it right.
Continue.
This app can access your Wi-Fi password. Select continue.
Apa?
Now it's connecting through Wi-Fi.
Oh, this one.
So, do you need cable to connect from the computer to the printer?
Yes, no.
No, that is connecting to the power. No, between the computer and the printer and the...
Oh.
Hey, it's moving. It's blinking. Gee, I'm asking you, do you need this connect using a cable from printer to the computer? So it's called Wi-Fi, wireless.
It's connecting the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, it says connecting to the Wi-Fi.
Wait, why is it so long? We need to wait this until what?
No, it's not gonna take so long. Is it easy to set up the Wi-Fi?
Yes, I can show the right now.
No, later.
Because I have a new scooter.
Gee, already done. Press continue.
Ouch, ouch, my butt is itchy.
Oh, skips.
Link, line, skip line. This skip.
Just skip sending link.
Long. Where is skip sending link? Good?
Yeah,
Okay.
because you wanna just install in this laptop.
My wow, where is there?
Hey, you wanna try to print something?
Yeah.
Okay. You go to the printable.hp.com.
I'm scared of the printable.
Oh, hey, you can print a unicorn right there.
What? I don't want to use it. I
Okay,
don't want to use
just
it.
test print and patterns. So this one,
Can I?
back to the home screen.
Can I print Sonics?
No. You need this one. Try this one. Business worksheet. Rain or shine.
Wait, what? Why is it all this?
Okay.
I want Sonics or anything like the cartoon.
Okay.
I want like a cartoon or something. I want a cartoon or something.
Coloring fun. Oh, coloring fun. Gee, press this one.
Oh, coloring fun.
Okay.
We can color.
Yeah. So press print.
We were three. Tiny. Okay, we are printing.
Okay. Now press this one.
What?
Print. Let's see.
What?
Oh, see, It's starting. It's starting, G. Oh. Oh, see the result. Oh my god.
Oh my god, here it is. Here is the thing that I just print. Okay, I want another one. I want a...
Okay, G. So, I want to ask you first. Is it this printer is easy for you to install and to print? Very easy. So,
we
hey,
just need to press the picture what we want, then press print and print. Then wait.
wait, and then come up from here.
Type.
Nice printer. Where is it from?
HP.com/e.
Can you get at the HP store? hpstore.com. Okay, now
Wait, I'm gonna say can we print Sonic?
yeah, later on you can print Sonic and everything lah. So now
Wait,
you need to say to your fans what?
comment down below and subscribe the subscribe button, then click the like button.
Apa link? What is the link like button? What? Press what?
Press the like button.
Okay.
Click the like button. Now it's done for Ichibody video.
So